Welcome to the channel, the only channel that turns heart-stopping accident footage into memorable traffic safety lessons through a humorous lens. Subscribe now and let's start analyzing today's videos. Serious lack of observation when merging, turning, not giving way to vehicles going straight may have misjudged the speed of the truck. Driving too fast in heavy rain, slippery roads leading to loss of control, tires may not be guaranteed, vehicles behind may not be keeping a safe distance. Not keeping a safe distance from the vehicle in front, especially dangerous when following a large vehicle that obscures visibility. Wow, this silver SUV seems to prefer tailgating the truck rather than keeping a safe distance. Oh my God! The intersection suddenly turned into a faulty version of a lion dance stage when the actors collided randomly. Red light, stop, green light, go. Terrifying speed in urban areas, complete loss of control leading to extremely strong collision and explosion. Green truck turned left, merged without observation, did not give way to vehicles going straight, causing a dangerous collision. Intentionally cutting in, entering lanes late and improperly in narrow, under construction areas, not giving way to large vehicles.
Your brothers seem to have done well, Mr. Story said.
Not keeping a safe distance, lack of concentration, sudden braking without time leading to multiple collisions.
Horse hunting.
The truck lost control and made a flying turn onto the side of the road. Performing dangerous techniques on public roads, not being able to control the vehicle at high speeds or when cornering. This dark-colored car turned right as if it was going straight alone, forgetting that there was a person leisurely crossing the road line. This three-wheeled vehicle was running smoothly when it suddenly decided to lean and then roll onto the road. Improperly driving an ATV in complex terrain, muddy, caused loss of balance and control, causing the vehicle to flip over. This vehicle was running smoothly when one wheel decided to go find a way to save the country. The vehicle could only crawl away, leaving the driver in amazement. This driver tried to cross the road but did not measure the distance to the truck, causing a collision with the rear of the truck. The sister opened the car door as if there was no one around, completely ignoring the traffic flow next to her. Luckily, the truck stopped. Clearly ran a red light, did not control the speed, and lacked observation when going through the intersection. Driving too fast on a slippery, rainy road, leading to hydroplaning, loss of traction, and loss of control. Even on a professional racetrack, a little distraction can cause a supercar to measure the road. Driving in extreme weather conditions, dust storms, severely reduces visibility, posing a very high risk of collision if you do not reduce speed or stop safely. The SUV appears to have failed to see or misjudge the speed of the motorcycle going straight ahead, resulting in a head-on collision. This vehicle decided to visit the store in an extremely impressive way, straight through the glass. Turns too fast or steers too sharply for a three-wheeled vehicle with a sidecar, resulting in a loss of balance and a near flip. Losing control on slippery road on bridge. This white truck had an unexpected figure skating performance. A truck driver's miraculous dodging of a deer, but the price he paid was an unexpected excursion into the trees along the roadside. This silver vehicle redefines the concept of running a red light by plowing straight into the truck that was leisurely crossing the intersection. Running a red light, not looking and yielding to the vehicle in the right-of-way traffic light. Lack of concentration, not keeping a safe distance, not controlling the speed, leading to a rear-end collision. This truck was speeding and not paying attention to the front, causing it to crash into the white car in front. Changing lanes suddenly, not keeping enough safe distance, cutting in front of the truck, causing the truck to not have time to brake. Entering the highway at a speed too slow, not reaching a speed suitable for the traffic flow, causing danger to the vehicle behind. This dusty road does not seem to be friendly to the truck. A loss of control and flew off the road in the hazy dust. Limit sudden braking, stopping on the highway. Always keep a safe distance enough to handle the situation. Oh no! The black car turned a blind eye to the red light, rushing straight into the silver car that was making a legal left turn. Another collision due to not obeying the law.